Hi, my name's Ed Albro. I'm with PC World, and right here I have the new Chrome CR48 notebook that we just received in the mail. So we're going to do a quick unboxing, show you what's in there. So to start out with, they give you this nifty letter of 10 things you should try on your new Chrome notebook. Send an email from the park with 3G. Get back online in seconds with instant resume, go days between recharging with long battery life, etc., etc. We'll try all these things and see if they actually work. Alright, so, see if I can pull it out here. Comes in this very nifty box. I don't know what that... It seems to be a hamster that is building a rocket ship. An exploded view.
Makes a ton of sense.
Totally. Alright. Alright, there's a little something here about learning the controls. The biggest thing you might have read is that the Chrome notebook has no caps lock key. Instead, it's a search key. How to get on the web, you know, the basic stuff. If you crack this open, you'd find Intel. Hopefully that means that there's no sticker on the notebook that will stay there forever. Alright, here's the notebook itself, without battery. Very black. Very anonymous. Now, a lot of the coverage I've seen said that it's very similar to the black Apple MacBook, which I just happen to have here for purposes of comparison.
Is it thinner? It's a little thinner, right?
Yeah, it's thinner. It's sort of matte, kind of a little bit stickier than the MacBook Air, but there are definitely a lot of similarities. Yep. Alright, there's the search key instead of caps lock.
Is it search, or is it just some sort of...
No, it's a little magnifying glass.
Oh, there you go.
The international symbol for search.
And there's no function keys either, right?
That's right, no function keys.
Oh.
Alright, let's see what else is in here. Got the battery.
It's a beautiful battery.
Oh yeah.
It's named Mario?
It's 58.4 WH, which is a lot of WH.
Its name is Mario? Is that correct? Also compatible with Luigi style batteries.
Alright. And then this is just power brick and cord, as you might expect. And then there's a note that starts out, "Don't panic," which is kind of, it's probably a bad sign. That's sort of like when the surgeon says, "Oops."
Yeah.
But I think it's just about, oh, it's your basic safety notices. I think that's your basic Google sense of humor there. And let's see if it'll start up. Oh yeah. So it comes with some juice.
Pretty quick boot up.
Yeah. So you'd have to go through a lot of setup stuff, it sounds like, which will probably make for boring video, so we'll just skip that.
Is this a click pad? Is that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, apparently the whole thing clicks.
And that, look on the back, it's got every bird known to mankind.
So what are your first impressions of this device? It's like an unmarked cop car, pretty much.
It really is. I think, the point is not really the hardware, it's the software.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll have to play with it for a little bit before we have a really firm opinion of it.